So we're taking the train almost 11 p.m. So this subway is connected to the bus terminal. So medyo konti lang yung biyahe. That is very very few. The train is kompleto, malinis siya. Very clean. Very clean. Parang we will be traveling for more than 30 minutes ilang stations because we drop off in East Busan. Tapos yung Airbnb namin is located in West Busan. Very clean. Haba ng train, dire-diretso siya. Straight na. So ideal for mga travelers, no? Because you only pay around parang per ride 1,500 or 2,000 won. But medyo biyahe limited yung so mabuti makakuha tayo ng video now because of dulo ng train. Tapos konti tayo nakasakit. Papunta dun sa kabila. Haba na 20.